Welcome everybody. We got 6 a.m. in the morning and today is the day where I want to take you with me on the travel, like what's normally happening when you go from one destination to another. So today I'm gonna go from Moalboal to Bohol, to the small island next to it. I think Pongla. Need to look that up again. I will write it underneath. And yeah, I yesterday spoke to a guy who was living next door. He has a tricycle. He wanted to pick me up, so I go outside on the street, check if he's there. Then I have to take a public bus to Cebu City. From there I have to go to the ferry terminal, take the ferry, and then finally go from the ferry to my hostel where I'm gonna stay. I was staying here at Moalboal bamboo house. There's a green fence outside where they have like beautiful bamboo huts, and now I'm going over to the guy who has his tricycle.
Are you going to Oslo?
No, I go to Moalboal. No, Moalboal. I'm in Moalboal. I'm going to Bohol.
Bohol, sir, yes.
Bohol.
The better to do is Cebu City.
Yeah, Cebu City and then the ferry.
Oh, yes, sir.
There's some guys riding with me. And we're off. I definitely will consider to come back here again, check out more Cebu side, and also do again one time the Canyoneering because that was a blast. Check it out in the link below. We're at the bus station right now. It's driving me to the yellow seats as waiting area. There was a bus when I arrived, but it was already full, so I'm just waiting for the next one. It should be around half an hour, and then we're good to go. We're back in Cebu City now. It's currently 9:30, so the trip took me like 3.5 hours. What's actually really good. Can also, when the traffic is really bad, be two more hours extra. So from the place that I stayed to Cebu City, we're really close by to the southbound terminal, and then I take a cab from there to get to the ferry. I wanted to actually take a cab, but the guy stopped here and he gave me actually a really good price. I think we're going to the ferry, and now I'm riding with this nice gentleman.
Hello.
To the ferry through Cebu City. I love riding bike. Oh, here we are. Okay, so let's get me the money first. We get the helmet back. Salamat. Okay, now we go to the ferry station, and there are like a bunch of different companies. I need to figure out which one is the next one where I can go to. Okay, got my ticket now for 450 with open air. That means that I'm sitting outside tourist class. I think it's inside. I bought the cheapest that I could get. Now we're going to Terminal 1, and from there we're going further. Thank you. Okay, now I need to find 52D. 52D. I think I'm right. Made it on the boat. Now I had to wait for the ferry until 10:30, so it was nearly an hour here. And now we're getting off Cebu. There's people in the back, Cebu City, and we're riding like 2 hours, they're saying, so we should arrive at 12:30 on Bohol. and then I just need to go to my hostel. From the back of the shoulder and now go and put the shit together and then looking for transport. Off the ferry and going out of the harbor. The first cab that came to me, he wanted 600 pesos to drive me over there, and I think it's a rip-off. So I'm just going out of the harbor and try to find some cheaper, and we'll see then if that works.